Can we just take a moment and collectively say, "Aww"? Because Anne Hathaway has just announced that she's pregnant with her third child. And honestly, this might be one of the sweetest celebrity updates we've gotten in a while. The Oscar-winning actress, who spent years making us laugh, cry, and occasionally question our own life choices through movies like The Devil Wears Prada, Les Miserables, and The Princess Diaries, is now preparing for a brand new role once again, mom of 3. Anne shared the happy news through her social media video where her baby bump was clearly visible, and within minutes fans flooded the internet with love, congratulations, and enough heart emojis to power an entire Instagram server. And what makes this announcement feel extra special is that Anne has always been incredibly private when it comes to her family life. In a world where every breakfast, workout, and vacation can become content, Anne has consistently chosen to keep her personal life relatively low-key. So when she does share a milestone like this, it feels genuine, personal, and honestly pretty refreshing. For those who don't know, Anne and her husband Adam Schulman are already parents to 2 sons, Jonathan and Jack. This new baby will make them a family of 5, and fans couldn't be happier for them. The announcement has also sparked conversations online because Anne is 43, and many people are pointing out how stories like hers continue to challenge outdated ideas about age, motherhood, and what different stages of life are supposed to look like. But beyond all the conversations, statistics, and headlines, the reason this story is connecting with people is actually very simple. It's just happy news. No controversy, no feud, no social media drama, no mysterious unfollows. Just a beloved actress sharing a joyful life update. What's also remarkable is that Anne remains one of Hollywood's busiest stars, even while balancing family life. She continues to be part of major film projects and remains one of the industry's most admired performers. Which is why fans are celebrating both sides of this story, Anne Hathaway the superstar and Anne Hathaway the mom. At a time when celebrity headlines are often dominated by scandals, backlash, and internet fights, this one feels refreshingly wholesome. So congratulations are pouring in from across the world as Anne Hathaway and Adam Schulman get ready to welcome baby number 3. And if the internet's reaction is anything to go by, this little one is already one of Hollywood's most anticipated arrivals. Because sometimes the best celebrity stories aren't the dramatic ones, they're the ones that simply make people smile.